Since getting this job, I was able to get my first ever car, buy myself some nicer things, be able to go on trips, not worry about money in a sense a little bit. Going from bun, lettuce, burger, onion, pickle patty, to this, yeah, it's quite the change, but it's a good change, so. My name is Trevor McCollom and I am a shipper. I did get hired here as a crate wrapper, so I was still working in shipping and receiving, but I wasn't putting together the orders. But yeah, now I've moved my way up a little bit. I like my role now because I feel like I'm doing more in a sense. It's pretty diverse. I'm doing quite a bit of different things, to loading trucks, to putting orders together, to finding product, things like that. I got a job at a fast food restaurant at 15. And I worked there for 9 years. I think I started to get really comfy there and I needed to move on. Do I get out of my comfort zone and try something I know I've been really wanting to? And I bit the bullet. When I got hired here, I truthfully didn't know anything, really. And in 2 years, they've shaped me into somebody who I've moved around almost the entire factory, tried different departments. I've learned how to do so much. It's actually crazy. Yeah, from before knowing how to flip burgers. That's it. At first, made me really nervous, trying new things. But I think after you do it for a little bit, you go, oh, okay, this isn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. And once you get over that and start doing it, it feels good. Especially to know that I can help out all these different departments in certain ways. There's great opportunities to move up here. You get well recognized for doing good work, so if you're nervous, just push yourself. The worst that can ever happen is the person or whatever you're going for will say no. Pick yourself back up and go for it again. It's how you get further in life.